Why are you afraid of the subject math? Hates to add, subtract, multiply, divide. Don't worry, my friend, we are here to guide in your journey with math. Come on now, let's have fun. Learning math is really fun.
Hello everyone, I am Teacher Lodi and welcome to another edition of Mathsaya, your math sidekick. How are you today? Do you want to learn? I am here to help you to learn and enjoy math. For this week, we will learn about addition on integers.
We are on our week 3 and our lesson for today is about addition of integers. Are you ready? So let's get started! For our warm-up activity, find the sum. You have 5 seconds each number to answer.
Positive 15 plus positive 23.
Answer positive 38.
Positive 20 plus positive 7.
Answer positive 27.
Positive 30 plus positive 12.
Answer positive 42.
Negative 10 plus negative 18.
Answer negative 28.
Negative 8 plus negative 15.
Answer negative 23.
We are done with our warm-up activity. How's your score? Now, let's move on to our lesson proper.
In this tutorial, we will learn how to assign numbers with the help of a tie card. The line the card is located on is called the number line, where the positive numbers are on the right and the negative numbers are on the left. The card will stick to the following rules. Number 1, it always starts at 0, its home facing right. 2, if it sees a positive number, it moves forward. If it sees a negative number, it backs up. And if it sees an addition sign, it continues to read the next number. Let us have our first example. Negative 2 plus positive 5. Remember, our card starts from 0 facing right. From 0, it then backs up 2 units to the left because it sees the negative sign. Next, it will move forward by 5 units. Now, it stops at positive 3. Therefore, the answer to negative 2 plus positive 5 is positive 3. Now, let us try another example. What do you think is the sum of negative 4 and positive 6? From negative 4, the car will move forward by 6 units. Now, it stops at positive 2. Therefore, the answer to negative 4 plus positive 6 is positive 2.
We are done with adding integers using a number line. Now, let's talk about the rules.
Remember the rules for adding integers. For like signs, integers that are both positive or integers that are both negative, simply find the sum of their absolute values and use the sign common to both integers. Examples: positive 5 plus positive 3 is positive 8. Negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6. Take note, the absolute value of a number is the distance between that number and 0 on a number line. For instance, the absolute value of positive 5 is 5 because the distance of positive 5 in the number line from 0 is 5. The absolute value of negative 3 is also positive 3 since negative 3 is 3 units away from 0. For adding integers with unlike signs, simply find the difference of their absolute values and use the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. For example, negative 5 plus positive 3 is negative 2. Take note that negative 5 and positive 3 are integers with unlike sign. So we simply subtract 5 and 3, and that is 2. Since negative 5 has higher or greater absolute value than positive 3, therefore we're going to use the sign of negative 5 for our final answer. For our second example, we have negative 4 plus positive 7 is positive 3. Do you think the answer is correct? Yes, the answer is correct. Since negative 4 and positive 7 are unlike signs, therefore we subtract them. 7 minus 4 is 3. Since 7 has greater absolute value than negative 4, then we simply copy or use its sign for our final answer.
Again, always remember the rules in adding integers. If they are both positive or if they are both negative, just add their absolute value and copy the common sign. If they are alike, subtract and then copy the sign of the number with a larger absolute value. Mahirap pa rin magtandaan? Here's another way for you to remember easily the rules in adding integers.
Sing the song to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Are you ready? So, let's sing!
Ngayon ay dumako naman tayo sa isang test upang subukin ang iyong natutuhan. Go get your paper and answer the questions.
First category, give me 5. For 5 seconds, Find the sum of positive 15 and positive 4. Your time starts now. Answer. Give me 5 for 3 points. Positive 16 plus negative 16 is Answer. Give me 5 third question for 5 points. Find the sum of negative 30 and positive 17. Answer. For 1 point, fill in the blank. Answer. For 3 points, fill in the blank. Answer. For 5 points, fill in the blank. Answer. Third category, stop over. For 1 point, at what coordinate in the number line the car will stop? Answer. For 3 points, at what coordinate in the number line the car will stop? Answer. For 5 points, at what coordinate in the number line the car will stop? Answer. O problem. Simply solve the following problem to get your 1 point. On Monday, a local dog shelter had 7 dogs. By Friday, they had found homes for 3, but took in 3 more. Then how many dogs were in the shelter? Answer. For 3 points, solve the following problem. Amy and 2 friends are planning a trip. They plan to meet at Abby's house, and her dad will take them to the water park. Amy walks 4 blocks north to Mariah's house. Then they walk 2 more blocks north to Abby's house. How many blocks from their starting point are they? Answer. For 5 points, solve the problem. Mike is on an elevator on his way to a job interview. He takes the elevator up to the 11th floor. He now realizes that he is at the wrong floor. He then goes down 2 floors. On what floor did Mike get off? Answer. Congratulations for answering all the problems. Now, it's your time to add up your scores.
How do you find the activity? Is it hard? Is it easy? Just keep going and love math with all your heart. That ends our lesson for today, and see you next time on our next episode of Matsaya.